So I was just testing the router to see if they had updated the USB in order to see the drive that I couldn't see before, because they wanted you to go to back down to SMB1 instead of using the later SMB3 or whatever the latest was. And to my surprise, it's actually updated. Now I can see one drive. The reason I say that is because I actually have two drives in that USB port, and let me show you what I mean by that. I have one of these. It has two drives. On my old router, I was able to see this is A and this is B, and I was able to see both. Right now, I'm just seeing this one. But the reason I was testing it is because I need to move all the stuff from here just somewhere else, and because I need that drive for something else. But if you have something like this on the TP-Link router, you will only be able to see one drive, as you can see. So let me pause this and show you the bottom here. So this is the bottom of that page. The reason I'm not showing you the top is because my IP is on there, so not my internal but the external IP, so that's the reason I paused it. But this is what you see. Here is the drive. So as you can see, there's only one drive, and I already looked and verified that it's only one. So you can secure it, put a password in there, and then you can have for visitors, I guess, if you really want that. But there you have it. It is showing on there, which is nice. So now at least I can move all the stuff and then put the second drive on the A, which is the rear of this USB dual SSD hard drive docking station. You can actually copy drives from one to the other. It's very slow, pretty slow, but I just got it because I figure I can put two drives or two external USB drives on there. I was able to, like I said, on the old, was able to use it on the old router, and I was able to see both, but now I can only see one. So just a quick video on something like that, because I haven't done anything like this. Actually, if you go to my blog, which you'll find under the my channel, under the about, you can see the blog, and where I actually put some screenshots of this router, and you can read more stuff from there. But I thought that was interesting. So they finally updated, which is nice. Now it would be nice if they can just allow you to see both of these drives, which is cool. But this is something I got a while back, and then I was just using it for external storage for the videos. It's not the fastest, but you know, it's a little extra something, so that's why I like to get a USB port on the routers. But you know, if they come out with faster USB ports, that would be nice too. But anyways, just a short video, nothing major here, but thought that was kind of cool, showing you that. Let me go back. So that's what it shows. This is a regular drive, platter drive. It's not an SSD, so it's even slower, but it works. That's just something extra I had, so I've been using it, but now I need it for something else, so I'm going to move all this stuff. That's going to take a while, I know, but it's only a 500 gig drive, and as you can see, I've only used 76 gigs on it, so it shouldn't be too bad moving it somewhere else. But there you go. Just a quick video on that.